బట్టతలతో బాధపడుతున్నారా? ఆధునితనమైన పద్ధతిలో హెయిర్ ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంటేషన్ చేయబడును. ఫేస్ క్లినిక్ హైదరాబాద్.
Namaskaram, welcome to Suman TV. First of all, I wish all the women out there a happy Women's Day. On this special day, I have a special episode for all of you. And now we have Women Achiever founder Anika Khara garu and other special guest Anvesha garu right now here. Chalo, we'll discuss. Hi Anika.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing very good.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm cool. Basically, how did you started this Women Achiever Forum?
So just to introduce myself, and firstly, like you said, happy Women's Day to each and everyone.
By the way, happy Women's Day to you.
Yeah, thank you.
Same to you.
For us also. So my name is Anika Khara and I'm an image and branding consultant, and I've been working since 20 years. So, I thought that there was never a platform for, me as such and as a woman entrepreneur.
Okay.
There, I can just show what I do or, brand myself or network. So, in that way, I thought about, this concept of Women Achievers Forum, where we have all these women entrepreneurs, at one platform where they can, brand themselves, help each other grow, help in business and everything like that. And I'm very, very proud to have such amazing women entrepreneurs with me, and one is already here.
Totally, how many members will be there?
Totally we have 100+ members.
Okay.
And I'm very proud, and that we have pan-India members also.
Sure. Oh, great.
So very soon I would be starting a online network of pan-India women entrepreneurs, where we can connect to all entrepreneurs all across India.
Great. And once again, happy Women's Day to you, Anvesha garu. And
Thank you so
tell
much,
me,
Risha.
like, basically, woman, when she enters into a professional, she need to balance a family life too. How she need to handle both professional and as well as family?
Thank you for inviting me. I'm very grateful to Anika and the Suman TV team for giving me this platform. And being a woman, my first message to all women out there is just love yourself.
Okay.
Because if what I have learned with my experience of 18-20 years of a corporate working, that if you teach a boy or a male of a family, you are teaching one member. But if you teach a female or a girl of a family, you are teaching the complete family as well as the next generation. So thinking that in mind, I took a mission of helping 10,000 women to live a medicine-free life.
Okay.
So that they can help themselves as well as they can help their families. So as you asked, to balance in their professional and personal life, it is very much important to take care of themselves first. Once they are happy within, they will be able to make others happy as well. So mantra is to first love yourself and live in present moment. You know what happens as a female, and I'm sure Anika would also agree, that we try to do multitasking.
True.
Right? Either we are living in our past or living in future, right?
Yes.
We are not living in present moment.
Yes.
And that is the main cause of all worries.
Yes, yes.
So the moment we start living in present, we will start enjoying the things, and if we will be able to balance each and everything, whether it is personal life, professional life, everything.
Yes.
And basic any problem who woman, when she enters into a society, so many negative things will survive her. So how she need to overcome all those things?
So for that only, we suggest them to take a professional help, where we help them, where we teach them how to balance your mind, how to take care of things. Being a human, we cannot avoid being positive or negative, right? Emotions will keep on coming. But how you handle those emotions and move ahead, that is what we as a profession, we help them.
Professional help is necessary for any kind of situation, whether nowadays so many people are getting into depressed, anxiety and stress.
Correct.
Is it professional help is mandatory?
Yes, I would say yes. Because see, it's not about professional help, it's our society, to be very frank, India, still we have not that open. Our mindset is not open to go to a counselor or take a help.
True,
right?
yes.
So that limiting belief we have to break. Like how we started, we took birth, we went to school, we went to college, we learned things, and now we are executing. Same way, this is also a way of learning things where you are handling your emotions and your mind. So once you start managing those things, you will be able to help not only yourself, your family also, and wherever you are working also, you will be able to help those people.
Great. And Women Achiever Forum, how it helps to women, especially like related to business or like what?
So basically, like I said, it's a platform where we meet monthly and we just, talk about our work, what achievements we have done, what is the latest thing that we are doing, and we can, refer each other in terms of business or in terms of any opportunity that we can create for another woman entrepreneur.
Okay.
So it's just about, networking, branding each other, and at the same time, I make it a point to brand them on social media also. So we have posting about them, creating good posters for them. Plus, I have even started Instagram lives so that, each member gets an opportunity to, talk about her story.
Okay.
So in that way, but the basic point is, just helping them, referring each other and making a tribe out of it.
Like ma'am, life is full of struggles, whether it may be a happy or a sorrow or anything else. Like how do you overcome all the struggle moments?
So first, I will ask you, what is happiness for you?
Whatever it may be, it gives me a pleasure. So that is happy for me.
Okay. So till now people think that if I get this thing, if I'll get this car, I'll be happy. If I'll get this home, I'll be happy.
True.
If I'll get this job, I'll be happy. No. So first thing we have to learn, whatever we have, we should become happy with that.
Okay.
So that is called a feeling of gratitude. So once we start having the feeling of attitude of gratitude is the mantra
Achha.
to live a happy life. So whatever you have, start feeling grateful for that, and universe will give you chances, many more chances to become a happy and live a happy life.
And finally, 2 words about on this Women's Day, like you need to give a message to all the women who are watching there. So what is your 2 words?
So to the women out there, I will tell you, I will request you, first start loving yourself. Start saying no. It is not necessary that all days you will give you 100%, right?
Yeah.
If you don't feel like doing, just say no. Start saying no and start loving yourself. Things will automatically come at place and you will excel.
And what about you? Like what is the one message you want to give on this special day?
Yeah, so I would totally agree with Anvesha that, it's very important to, start saying no. Like, that is something because we, hinder ourselves in many ways. By not, expressing what we really feel. So I would just ask them to just, take out that time for themselves and whatever they want to do, just do. Like I always say in my workshops also that, self-care or self-time is very important.
Self-care. Yes. So seriously, on this special day, we have to note this point. Like we need to take care of ourselves.
Correct.
Then as she said, like if woman is happy, whole family and society and everyone will be happy.
Yes,
Yeah,
totally.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
సుమన్ టీవీలో మీ పర్సనల్ అండ్ బిజినెస్ ప్రమోషన్స్ కోసం కింది నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి.